Today we're diving into the long-term prospects of BONK, a meme coin that's captured attention within the Solana ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just curious about the next big thing, understanding BONK's fundamentals, ecosystem, and future outlook is crucial. We'll break down its strengths, risks, and what analysts are saying about its potential. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but it will help you evaluate if BONK fits into your long-term crypto strategy. Let's start by exploring what makes BONK unique and why it stands out among meme coins. One of BONK's biggest strengths is its place within the Solana ecosystem. Solana is known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, making it an attractive platform for both developers and users. BONK benefits from these technical advantages, which can help drive adoption and utility. As Solana continues to grow and attract more projects, BONK could ride this wave of innovation. However, its fortunes are closely tied to Solana's overall performance, so any setbacks in the ecosystem could impact BONK as well. Like many meme coins, BONK offers more than just hype. It has real utility features such as staking, DAO governance, NFT integration, and community incentives. These elements give BONK a foundation beyond simple speculation, allowing holders to participate in the ecosystem and potentially benefit from its growth. While it's still fundamentally a meme coin, these added utilities set it apart from countless other tokens that lack substance. This could help BONK maintain relevance even as trends shift. BONK's tokenomics are designed to address one of the biggest challenges in the meme coin space: oversupply. The project incorporates deflationary mechanisms, including token burns, to help reduce supply pressure over time. By burning tokens, BONK aims to create scarcity, which could support price appreciation if demand holds steady or increases. However, with a supply still in the tens of trillions, significant price moves remain challenging. The effectiveness of these tokenomics will be key to BONK's long-term success. The world of meme and community coins, BONK stands out as a more established player. Its active community and early adoption within the Solana ecosystem give it a degree of resilience compared to ultra-small-cap tokens. Community support can be a powerful force driving both awareness and utility. However, resilience is relative. Meme coins are inherently volatile, and community sentiment can shift quickly. Still, BONK's stronger foundation may help it weather market storms better than many competitors. Despite its added features, BONK's utility is still modest compared to major Layer 1 or DeFi tokens. While staking and governance are valuable, they don't yet match the depth of use cases seen in more established projects. This means BONK's long-term value will depend on continued innovation and adoption. If the team can expand its utility and integrate with more platforms, BONK could strengthen its position. For now, it remains primarily a speculative asset with some promising features. One of the biggest hurdles for BONK is its enormous token supply, which sits in the tens of trillions. This massive supply makes it difficult for the price per token to see dramatic increases, even if demand rises. While deflationary mechanisms help, the sheer scale of the supply means that expectations for huge price jumps, like reaching $1 per token, are unrealistic. Investors should keep this in mind when setting their expectations for BONK's long-term growth. BONK's fate is closely tied to the broader Solana ecosystem. If Solana continues to innovate and attract users, BONK could benefit from increased exposure and utility. However, if Solana faces setbacks or loses relevance, BONK's prospects could suffer. This dependency adds another layer of risk for long-term holders, making it essential to monitor Solana's development and market position alongside BONK's progress. Meme coins like BONK are known for their extreme volatility. Prices can surge rapidly on hype and then crash just as quickly. This makes BONK a high-risk, high-reward asset, especially for those looking for short-term gains. For long-term investors, it's important to be prepared for wild price swings and to have a clear strategy for managing risk. Market sentiment can change overnight, so staying informed and adaptable is key. Looking ahead to 2025, analysts' forecasts for BONK are mixed. Some bullish projections suggest the token could reach between 0.00007 and 0.00014, representing a 2-3 times increase from current levels if conditions are favorable. However, more conservative estimates place BONK at much lower levels, around 0.00002 to 0.00005. These forecasts highlight the speculative nature of meme coins and the wide range of possible outcomes. For those thinking long-term, some best-case scenarios for BONK in 2030 suggest prices could reach 0.0003 to 0.0005. This would require a bull market, strong growth in the Solana ecosystem, and renewed enthusiasm for meme and community coins. While these projections are optimistic, they're not impossible if all the right factors align. However, it's important to remember that such outcomes depend on many variables, including market trends and project development. Some forecasts have suggested BONK could reach $1 per token, but these are almost universally dismissed by analysts. Given the massive supply, reaching such a price would require an astronomical market cap, far beyond what's realistic for any meme coin. Investors should be wary of hype-driven predictions and focus on more grounded scenarios. Setting realistic expectations is crucial for long-term success in the crypto space. A moderate growth scenario, where the Solana ecosystem remains relevant and BONK's burn mechanisms take effect, the token could see a 3-10 times increase over the next 5-10 years. This would put its price in the range of 0.00005 to 0.0001 depending on the starting point. This base case assumes steady, but not explosive, growth and continued community engagement. It's a realistic outlook for those with a long-term perspective. Everything goes right, strong adoption, Solana becoming a major blockchain, and meme coins regaining popularity. BONK could potentially reach 0.0003 to 0.0005 by 2030. This bull case relies on a perfect storm of positive developments, including increased utility, successful token burns, and a thriving community. While ambitious, it's not entirely out of reach if the broader crypto market enters a sustained bull run. The flip side, if meme coins lose favor, Solana stagnates and BONK's utility fails to expand, the token could stagnate or even lose value relative to other cryptocurrencies. High supply and lack of major utility uptake will weigh heavily on its price. This bear case highlights the importance of monitoring both the project's development and broader market trends. As with any speculative asset, downside risk is significant. Even in the most optimistic scenarios, BONK reaching $1 per token is virtually impossible under the current supply. The market cap required would be astronomical, far exceeding the entire crypto market's capacity. Analysts agree that such targets are unrealistic, and investors should focus on more attainable goals. Understanding these limitations can help you make more informed decisions about your portfolio. Those interested in low-cap, high-growth potential crypto assets, BONK offers a unique blend of risk and opportunity. It's larger and more established than many ultra-small caps but still carries significant volatility. If you're looking for a speculative play with some upside, BONK could fit the bill. Just remember that high risk comes with the possibility of little or no return. It's best viewed as a lottery ticket rather than a core holding. If your goal is to find the next 1,000 times crypto, BONK may not be the best candidate. Its larger supply and established presence limit its upside compared to ultra-small cap tokens. While it could still deliver solid gains if the market turns favorable, those seeking massive returns might want to explore smaller emerging projects. BONK's moderate upside makes it a safer but less explosive option. Given BONK's volatility and speculative nature, strict risk management is essential. Only allocate what you can afford to lose and consider setting clear targets for taking profits or cutting losses. Diversifying your portfolio and keeping BONK as a small allocation, perhaps less than 5% of your speculative holdings, can help manage risk. Always stay informed about project updates and market trends. If you prefer a long-term approach and already hold a mix of coins, BONK could serve as a speculative addition to your portfolio. Its potential for growth is balanced by significant risk, making it suitable for those comfortable with volatility. Treating BONK as a small, high-risk allocation rather than a core holding aligns well with a diversified, long-term crypto strategy. Having a clear exit strategy is crucial when investing in speculative assets like BONK. Decide in advance at what price levels you'll take profits or reduce your position. This helps remove emotion from decision-making and ensures you lock in gains if the market moves in your favor. Regularly review your strategy as market conditions evolve. For long-term investors, dollar-cost averaging DCA can be an effective way to manage risk in volatile assets like BONK. By investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, you can smooth out price fluctuations and avoid the pitfalls of trying to time the market. This disciplined approach can help you build a position over time without exposing yourself to sudden price swings. Staying up to date with developments in the Solana ecosystem and BONK's utility is vital for long-term investors. Watch for news on Solana adoption, new partnerships, and updates to BONK's features or tokenomics. These factors can have a significant impact on the token's value and future prospects. Being proactive and informed will help you make better investment decisions. Strength of BONK's community is a key factor in its resilience and potential for growth. Active participation in governance, social media, and ecosystem events can help drive adoption and utility. Engaged communities often provide valuable feedback and support, which can influence project direction and success. Consider joining BONK's online forums or social channels to stay connected. BONK's integration with NFTs adds another layer of utility and engagement for holders. By participating in NFT drops or using BONK within NFT marketplaces, users can access unique digital assets and experiences. This integration helps differentiate BONK from other meme coins and could attract new users as the NFT space continues to grow. Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO) governance allows BONK holders to have a say in the project's direction. By voting on proposals and participating in decision-making, the community can help shape BONK's future. This democratic approach can increase transparency and trust, making the project more attractive to long-term investors. Token burns are a key part of BONK's deflationary strategy. By permanently removing tokens from circulation, burns help reduce supply and can support price appreciation if demand remains steady. Regular updates on burn activity are important for investors to track, as they indicate the project's commitment to managing supply and creating value for holders. Market sentiment plays a huge role in the price movements of meme coins like BONK. Positive news, social media trends, or influencer endorsements can trigger rapid price surges, while negative sentiment can lead to sharp declines. Understanding the psychology of the market and staying alert to sentiment shifts can help you navigate the volatility. Compared to many ultra-small-cap meme coins, BONK is more established and has a larger, more active community. Its integration with Solana and additional utilities give it an edge, but it also means less explosive upside than newer, riskier tokens. Understanding where BONK fits in the broader meme coin landscape can help you set realistic expectations. Speculation is a major driver of BONK's price action. While utility and fundamentals matter, much of the token's value comes from market hype and investor sentiment. This makes BONK a high-risk, high-reward asset, best suited for those comfortable with uncertainty and rapid changes. Always balance speculation with sound risk management. Before investing in BONK or any speculative asset, thorough research is essential. Understand the project's fundamentals, team, roadmap, and community. Stay updated on news and developments and don't rely solely on hype or price predictions. Informed decisions are your best defense against unexpected losses. Diversifying your crypto portfolio can help manage risk, especially when holding speculative assets like BONK. By spreading your investments across different coins and sectors, you reduce the impact of any single asset's poor performance. Consider balancing BONK with more established projects and emerging opportunities in AI or tech. Regularly tracking BONK's performance and the health of the Solana ecosystem is key for long-term investors. Use analytics tools and market data to monitor price trends, trading volume, and on-chain activity. This information can help you make timely decisions and adjust your strategy as needed. Analyst projections can provide valuable insights, but remember that forecasts for meme coins are especially speculative. Use analyst opinions as one piece of your research, not the sole basis for investment decisions. Combine multiple sources of information to build a well-rounded view of BONK's prospects. Investing in speculative assets like BONK requires a strong mindset. Be prepared for emotional ups and downs, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Setting clear rules and sticking to your strategy can help you stay disciplined and avoid costly mistakes. When investing in BONK, set realistic goals based on its fundamentals and market position. Aim for achievable returns and be wary of promises of overnight riches. By focusing on steady growth and risk management, you can increase your chances of long-term success. Regular portfolio reviews are essential for staying on track with your investment goals. Assess BONK's performance, reevaluate your allocation, and make adjustments as needed. This proactive approach helps you respond to market changes and keep your strategy aligned with your objectives. Every investor makes mistakes, especially in volatile markets like crypto. The key is to learn from them and refine your approach. Keep a record of your decisions, analyze what worked and what didn't, and use these lessons to improve your future strategies. The crypto landscape changes rapidly, so staying informed is crucial. Follow reputable news sources, join community forums, and participate in discussions to keep up with the latest developments. Being well-informed helps you anticipate changes and make better investment choices. Flexibility is key when investing in speculative assets like BONK. Be ready to adapt your strategy as new information emerges or market conditions shift. This adaptability can help you capitalize on opportunities and minimize losses in a fast-moving environment. Don't forget to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Achieving your investment goals, even incremental ones, is a sign of progress. Recognizing your wins can boost your confidence and motivate you to continue learning and improving as an investor. The BONK community is a valuable resource for insights, support, and shared experiences. Engaging with other investors can help you learn new strategies, stay updated on project news, and avoid common pitfalls. Collaboration and knowledge sharing are powerful tools for success. Patience is essential when investing in speculative assets like BONK. The road to meaningful gains can be long and filled with ups and downs. By staying patient and committed to your strategy, you give your investments the best chance to grow over time. Sum up, BONK offers a mix of opportunity and risk. Its integration with Solana, community support, and deflationary tokenomics provide a foundation for potential growth. However, massive supply volatility and dependence on market sentiment mean that realistic expectations and strong risk management are essential. If you choose to invest, keep your allocation small, set clear goals, and stay informed. BONK could deliver solid gains if the stars align, but it's far from a guaranteed win. Thanks for joining this deep dive into BONK's long-term prospects. As with any speculative investment, success depends on research, discipline, and adaptability. BONK could be a fun and potentially rewarding addition to a diversified portfolio, but always invest responsibly. Keep learning, stay engaged, and may your crypto journey be both exciting and profitable.